Today's video will cover the topic of the maximum possible height of future skyscrapers. It's worth noting that there are proposals for a building that surpasses Mount Everest in height, and it has the potential to accommodate as many as 30 million individuals. Number 5. Burj Khalifa. The race to build the world's tallest skyscraper has been an ongoing endeavor for several years. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, currently holds the title of the world's tallest building, towering at 828 meters or just over 2720 feet. Construction of this $1.5 billion residential and hotel building began in 2004 to attract more tourists to the nation. The Burj Khalifa boasts impressive features, such as one of the world's highest observation decks and the second largest choreographed fountain outside of the entrance. It took 5 years to complete and open to the public in 2010, setting a new standard for skyscraper construction. Despite the remarkable achievements of the Burj Khalifa, building even taller skyscrapers will be challenging due to various factors, such as government height restrictions, the availability of flat land, and sufficient funding. However, there is one project currently under construction that may soon surpass Burj Khalifa's height, the Jeddah Tower. The Jeddah Tower, also known as the Kingdom Tower, is a skyscraper currently being built in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It is set to become the world's first kilometer-high building, standing at a staggering height of 1,000 meters or 3,280 feet. This ambitious project has faced several challenges, including investors being imprisoned in a corruption scandal and issues with vertical transportation and designing materials to prevent swaying in the wind. Although the Jeddah Tower challenges the Burj Khalifa's height, there are still much taller skyscrapers to come. The world of architecture and engineering is continuously evolving, with innovations and technologies being developed every day. The dream of building taller, stronger, and more beautiful skyscrapers will continue to inspire generations of builders and architects to come, pushing the limits of what we think is possible. Who knows what the future holds for the world of skyscrapers? But one thing is for sure, we are only just getting started. Number 4. Exceed 4,000. In the world of architecture, there have been some breathtaking feats of engineering that have captured the attention of people worldwide. One such example is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which stands at an impressive 828 meters or just over 2720 feet. While it is already a stunning achievement, some visionaries are already looking to surpass it. One such project is the Jeddah Tower, which is currently under construction and may become the world's first kilometer-high skyscraper. However, despite its potential, the project has encountered several challenges, including corruption scandals and technical difficulties. But if the Jeddah Tower proves successful, it may only be the beginning of a new era in architecture. Another contender for the world's tallest skyscraper is the Exceed 4,000, proposed by the Thai Say Corporation in 1995. The idea behind this ambitious project was to create a city inside a building, complete with shopping malls and grocery stores to cater to the needs of its residents. The skyscraper would be an astounding 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles tall, towering over Mount Fuji and capable of housing up to 1 million people. However, building the Exceed 4,000 would be no easy feat, as it would require a massive amount of resources and funding. The building's wide base would require it to be located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, and it would rely solely on clean energy, specifically solar power. According to some estimates, the project would require 3 million tons of steel, which is enough to build 300 Eiffel Towers. And with a staggering price tag of $900 billion or more, it would undoubtedly be the world's most expensive skyscraper if completed. Despite the excitement surrounding the Exceed 4,000, the Thai Say Corporation has yet to begin the project. Although rumors of its construction circulated in 2007, the company has confirmed that there are still significant issues to be resolved before embarking on such a massive undertaking. As a result, the exact timeline for the project remains unknown. In conclusion, the world of architecture continues to push the limits of what is possible with ambitious projects like the Exceed 4,000 and the Jeddah Tower. While the road to success is paved with many challenges, the potential rewards of these projects cannot be ignored. Whether or not these projects come to fruition, their mere existence serves as a testament to the human spirit of innovation and the desire to reach new heights. Number 3. Tokyo Tower of Babel. In 1992, the Toshio Ojima Laboratory from Waseda University introduced the concept of the Tokyo Tower of Babel, which was later presented at the Global Environment Summit in Brazil. This idea proposed a skyscraper city that would surpass Mount Everest in height, reaching 10 kilometers or 33,000 feet. This would have made it the tallest structure on the planet. To build such a structure, a massive base of around 4,100 square kilometers, which is twice the size of Houston, Texas, would have been required. The proposed building was designed to accommodate up to 30 million people, but the project was never realized due to the collapse of the Japanese economy at that time. Additionally, the estimated construction cost was around $306 trillion, which would have taken roughly 150 years to complete. Number 2. The launch loop. The concept of the launch loop challenges the traditional method of space travel and proposes a revolutionary way to propel objects into space. The idea was first introduced by Keith Lostrom in 1981 and has since gained attention as a potential solution for space exploration and tourism. Unlike traditional rockets, the loop would use magnetic levitation to launch objects into space, eliminating the need for large amounts of fuel and making space travel more cost-effective. The loop would consist of a series of cables connected to the Earth and would need to be 2,000 kilometers in length, with a maximum height of 80 kilometers to reach the area above the atmosphere. The launch loop would travel at an incredible speed of up to 14 kilometers per second, which is 8 times higher than where airplanes fly. Despite its potential benefits, several challenges need to be overcome before the launch loop becomes a reality. One major issue is the cost, which is estimated at around $10 billion for just 1 year of operation. The magnetic levitation technology necessary for the loop is also still in its early stages of development and would need significant improvements before it could be used in such a massive project. Furthermore, finding a suitable location for the launch loop is also a significant challenge, as it would need to be located in an area that is not heavily populated. Despite these obstacles, the launch loop remains a promising idea that could revolutionize space travel and exploration. The potential benefits of the launch loop are significant, and if these challenges can be overcome, it could open up new frontiers for space tourism and exploration. Number 1. Space elevator. The space elevator is an idea that has been in development for over a century, and it is still being pursued today. The original concept was put forward by Russian scientist Konstantin Tsiolkovsky in 1895. He proposed a tower that would extend 35,800 kilometers high, but the technology at the time could not support such a structure. Over the years, the idea has evolved into a tensile structure, and various companies are competing to be the first to make it a reality. The space elevator would consist of a cable that extends above the Earth's atmosphere, a counterweight, and a climber that would ascend the cable. The cable would need to be made of a material that is strong enough to support the weight of the climber and counterweight. Researchers are considering materials such as diamond nanothreads and graphene, but finding a material strong enough remains a significant challenge. There are also technical complications to consider. One major challenge is the risk of space debris damaging the elevator. Developers must find a way to protect the structure from harm while it is in space. Additionally, obtaining enough material to build the elevator at such a height is another challenge. It would require a massive amount of resources and would be a significant undertaking. Despite these challenges, companies are still pursuing the space elevator idea. The Obayashi Corporation in Tokyo believes that they can complete a space elevator by 2050, while developers in China are challenging that they can do it even sooner by 2045. While the technology and materials required for a space elevator are still being developed, the potential benefits of such a structure are vast. It could revolutionize space travel, making it more accessible and affordable, and could open up new possibilities for exploration and scientific research. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And if you have any suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.